not doing commentary so much. It's more of managing, as you talked about earlier. And,
Exactly.
you know, and it's getting them because they're performing. So they're doing the parade in Disney World or they're doing something in Chicago. So it's more of managing versus directing.
Exactly. And there's sports tours too. So there's lots of different student tours. You don't remember the name of the website. I've got it in the book. But there's a website for student tours, and it'll tell you all the different companies and all the different types of tours that they do. In fact, in my training, do you know Liz Moran by chance? Have you met Liz? She took my training years ago and started out in student tours, and has a whole section she did for me in my book and on my online on student tours. And I mean, you could never have seen a student and just follow what she says. It's really good. Okay, so then we have tour guide. Now, I've been saying I'm not a tour guide when I'm doing these different things. I'm a tour guide. A tour guide is usually a local person that delivers a narration about their area. If it's a walking tour, if it's a bus tour, within that we have like sightseeing tours where they have the motor coach and the driver, and they go around the city. In some cases, a driver is a driver guide. And in some cases, they have a person that steps on the coach and does the narration. So that's a sightseeing guide. We have walking tours. So like in Hollywood now, we have it's called Red Line. Anybody in the LA area that's interested in getting work, it's fun, where they put earphones on, you know, and they walk you up Hollywood to the Grauman's. I always say the Grauman's. It's not the Grauman's, hasn't been for years, but anyway, the old Grauman's Chinese theater, and the Kodak Center, which is now the Adobe Center, I think it's called, but where they have the Academy Awards and into little nooks and the Egyptian theater, and it's just great. And what's neat with the earphones is they keep up, because when they start falling behind, they start losing contact with you. So it's a great way to keep people together. And taste of, like we have Taste of Laguna, Taste of San Juan Capistrano here, the Taste of Orange, our old Orange part of our city, or the Circle area. So that's become really popular. And if you're interested in working for companies like that, just contact them. And it's easy for them to train you as a local guide because they have you shadow, you know, and you're right there. It's not like trying to train a tour director to do some other country, but it's a great way to get into the business. It's fun, it's flexible. Maybe you're retired, you just want something to do occasionally. You know, if you, like I was talking to somebody yesterday, has a history degree, you have a history degree, God, they would love to hire you. And you know, you have small groups, you walk around, or you're, you know, on the bus doing the narration, and that's a tour guide. And I usually recommend, if you are interested in that and you're in a major city, look up the local tour guide association also. So I know like San Francisco, New York, Washington, D.C., New Orleans, all have excellent tour guide associations. Now, all the cities don't have them yet, but great way to find work, to network, to get training. They often have advanced training to help. And if somebody's coming to your area and they need a guide, that's often who they'll contact. So a wonderful way to get in.
So that brings up a question. Do you need training to get into any of these jobs?
As a trainer, I say yes.
I do too. I wanted you, because
I think so.
You don't need it, but
really
I
helps.
highly recommend it. I would not have survived without the training.
Well, I told you I hated my first tour.